Hi everyone, welcome to Vocal Academy. See this problem. Here, one current source, one dependent current source. So this is independent current source and this is the dependent current source. So this was connected across parallel with a one resistor, that is 4 ohms. Now asking that how can you find the current in the 4 ohms resistor and the voltage across 4 ohm resistor. This is the problem. So here we can easily simplify by applying the KCL. So at node A, this is the incoming current and this is the incoming current. So at node A, the incoming current is equal to outgoing currents. So this is one incoming current, this is one incoming current. So this is the outgoing current. So here outgoing current is I0. So outgoing current I0 is equal to incoming currents. So incoming are 0.5 I0 plus 3 amperes. So I0 minus 0.5 I0 equal to 3. So I0 minus of I0, nothing but of I0, that's equal to 3. So I0 equal to 6 amperes. So this is the current which passes through required, that is 4 ohm resistor. Now asking that how can you find the voltage across 4 ohm resistor, that is V0. Now apply Ohm's law here. So according to Ohm's law, V equal to IR. So here R is 4 ohms. Means across 4 ohms we want the voltage V0. So and the current was passing through 4 ohms is 6 amperes. So 6 into 4 nothing but 24 volts. So this is the voltage across 4 ohm resistor. So this is the process of simplification. So this is the required current and this is the required voltage for the given problem. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.